Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you my new pedal shifters that I got for 16 bucks shipped. These are very similar to the ones that you can get for like around 200 bucks. And just like a size comparison, this is the original one and these are the new ones. These are made from metal and they're like easy replacements, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. To change your pedal shifters, you have to take out a pin at the bottom of them. I'm gonna try to show you how to do that. And they will come off as such. As you can see, this one has a little bit of duct tape here, and the reason for that is the holes are not the best fit, because again, this was just 16 bucks, and in order to decrease or eliminate completely the rattle, I attached here some duct tape, and that pretty much does the job. So in order to put it back, you just need to attach it here in the back. I'm not sure if you can see that on the camera, and then just put the pin back. And yeah, that's pretty much it.